Hello guys, samahan nyo kami. Magsha-shopping kami ng car. What car you want? Tell me. Choose the car. If you want to buy car, what car you want to buy?
Like this.
Where?
Like this.
Where?
Jeep.
Where? This one?
Ito na lang nga, mahalo patron na lang tayo. Yeah,
Oh, see?
I want like that.
Ito mahal, maganda oh.
This big.
Ito. Hindi ito to. Halika, pakita ko sa'yo. Halika. Ito oh. Ito.
70 kilometers.
Ito. The best to. Pwede na ba yun sa atin, mahal? You like that?
Okay.
Ganito okay to. Ganito okay to. How you like that? How you like? So, pwede na yan pong.
I want that.
Swear. This one? O diyan ka, picture kita. O ito daw yung kotse ni ate if she want to buy car. Diyan ka o. Dali. O ate. This is what you want? O, picture kita. Your dream car. Smile ka. Lagay mo, tanggal mo yung face mask mo. Ganon ka. Ganon.
Nakasarap para makita.
Yan, dito ka sa harap. Yan ka o. Yan, dream car ni ate. Ikaw baby, saan ang gusto mong car? If you want to buy car, saan ang car mo? Ikaw Chi, o dyan ka. Dream car. Kopong yan. 2.5 lang yan. Yeah, si mama. Go baby. Oh, si baby Jeep oh. Baby, smile.
You want the red one or the blue one? Oh.
Hey.
Can we have a small car? What is it cooking?
Kay baby Jeep.
Baby, look at.
Jeep ang gusto ni baby Jeep. Doon tayo sa Manila. Doon Manila.
Manila, Philippines?
Oo.
Ayan ang gusto ko po.
Saan?
Ayan o.
O, ayan. O, picturean niyo ako dito. Sa gray na to. Dito, picture mo ako dito nak. O, mama o.
Arangler ata. Ito mahal ang gusto ko.
O. Naka-video yan ha, pero picture mo ako.
Wait lang baby.
Doon ka banda.
Baby, walk na.
Dito ka.
Lapit ka, Chi.
Wala yung Jeep.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Right. Pwede na ito po?
Oo. Pwede mo na ito. Magkano monthly yan?
10,000.
Monthly? I think I like this. It has big wheels.
Yes, nice.
Oh, Papa, look. They say, Papa, Manila, Philippines.
Go to Manila. Go to Manila tayo. Go to Manila.
Dito tayo pumunta na.
Pare, how are you? No, we will check first here inside the Manila.
Taga Manila siya.
Manila. You're Manila?
Yes. I will live in Sofia outside.
Ayan ang Manila.
Baby.
Ayan na eh. Pare, you have old Land Cruiser.
Land Cruiser, no, but I have a Nissan Patrol. You check this inside. I have also good car.
How about the Xterra?
Nissan Xterra also no. I have but Thunderbird.
Fortuner.
Fortuner I have also 2014 model.
Show me that.
Fortuner this side.
Where?
Where? Color.
Color this golden.
Golden. Gold color. Specs pare. Yan o, Manila. Captiva. How much kilometer?
This one 103.
Ayan oh, ganda oh. 4x4.
Yeah, 4x4.
B6.
Yeah, B6.
Pwede na rin to, no? What is Australian owner?
I still know, but I have Pathfinder. Also good.
No, what is this Australian what?
Which one?
Ah,
Australian owner.
This is before owner.
ah. How much this one?
This one 69,500.
No down.
Huh?
No down.
Yeah, no down.
Zero down.
Yeah, zero. You bank finance?
Sorry?
The down matlab the zero down payment?
Yeah, yeah.
Zero no, but 20% and 10%.
Ah.
10%.
So how much that? 6,900.
Yes, it's around like that.
Then how much per month?
Monthly I check you kabayan also this inside you. Check it up. Huh?
Sige, telet mo na kayo.
Inside.
How about this one, Mitsubishi?
Mitsubishi, this one 79,000. This another one 63,000.
I want a little bit lower. High mileage, but a little bit lower. You know how much my budget only? Maybe 1,000.
Huh?
Maybe 1,000 only.
Yeah, monthly.
Yeah.
Monthly
I don't want too much.
1,000. This one also good. It's coming 1,000 maybe.
1,000 a month?
Monthly this coming.
How much kilometer?
This 4 kilometer very 133. 2017 model. Mitsubishi Montaro. This new shape also. Nice car also.
1,000 per month or lower?
Yeah, this no 1,000. This coming 1,950, 985 like this coming.
This one?
So, also I have inside also.
How about Toyota? Lower than Toyota, because this is 6-cylinder. I want around.
You know like this Hyundai Santa Fe?
No.
You know the Ford Explorer?
No, also.
Also no.
Jeep, how much like this Jeep?
This one is this one yeah 113, 113.
Ah, that I don't, not allowed. Expensive, ah?
Yeah, this 100 of this 113,000.
But this one, 1,000 per month, ah?
Yeah, around this like that. This is a good car.
This one, more. This one, more.
Love silver or gold. The name gold.
It's nice, ah?
Maybe gold.
It's okay?
I can buy this car.
You like this car?
No gold.
Huh?
I like it too.
Nice, no?
It's Philippine Manila. It has sparkles. Oh, so look. Oh, look. There's a TV.
Pare,
TV.
you have Prado, but 1,000 only. High kilometer.
Although I have bus 2019, this one 133,000.
That's expensive for me.
Yeah, expensive.
How about this one like this? Hilux.
This one?
Yeah.
This one 2013 model was this one.
No, this Hilux, how much?
I love this one brand new, sir.
Ah, brand new.
All brand new.
This is the cheapest here, ah? This one.
Yeah, this one nice, good car also.
How much kilometer?
This one 33.
Then around 900, ah?
Yeah, I checked you kabayan.
How much total here?
Sorry?
How much total?
Yeah, total. Yeah,
How much coming?
car price. Yeah, 63.
63. This one?
This one 79. Yeah, this one 69,000. This one 79,000.
That one?
63.
You have a little bit around 50,000. Show me around 50,000.
Around 50,000. You like Hyundai Tucson?
No, Hyundai. I want Nissan, Mitsubishi or Toyota.
Pajero?
Pajero, no, I don't like. Pong, ito pong halika. 900 lang, oh. Ito, oh. Pong. Ito.
Ito, maganda. Ano to? Punjoner?
Hindi.
Like this. Ano to? Ano Mitsubishi?
Around 50,000 pare.
Montero? Yung Montero to? Ito.
20 years, but it's like, again, you should be like good Toyota.
Ano pare? This one pare, how much?
This one, 130.
Mahal to po.
Ay, 130.
Yeah. You like your Toyota Avenger?
No, Avanza no. We
Dito.
have already Toyota. Our car is Toyota.
Toyota, no, no. This one good.
Ano to?
Ito okay to. No accident this one.
No, actually. You check in, no
Ito,
problem.
17.
70. Driving, okay?
Yeah, driving okay, no problem. You check first, monthly, price, everything okay. I remove the car, you try, no problem. Come inside. You
Okay din to. Oh. This one how much coming per month?
Which one? This one around 1,200 like that come.
How much is
Pwede na rin to pong sa atin. 6,000.
6,000?
Around
To.
this one in this thing.
New shape you have?
Huh?
New shape.
This one? This one old shape.
No, new shape you have.
New shape, no. New shape is
How many months?
this one, new
How,
shape.
how many months?
Which one? This one you find is 3 year.
3 years?
Yeah, 3 year.
1, 2?
Yeah.
Calculate mo nga.
You check this, you kabayan there, you know.
Ah, can.
Yeah, help this.
Sige, we calculate dali, pare. Calculate natin pong halika. Yan guys, oh, daming sasakyan oh. Mamili na kayo. No, I don't like that.
I don't like you.
This one how much pare? Rubicon.
Which one? This one 169,000.
Ayun guys, pinakita namin sa inyo. Hanggang sa muli. Bye bye po.